do a double under side swing, just like this. Okay, if you can do a single side swing without messing up 10 to 15 times in a row, I can teach you how to do this. So click the link above and come join me. Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me on how to do a double under side swing. So let's get started right away. I'm gonna try to make this as fast and simple as possible for you. So we're gonna start with the basics. If you can do a single side swing, you got this, okay? So a single side swing is when the rope goes to the side and you jump open. Side, open, side, open. All right, if you can just do one side, that's okay too. Just make sure that you can do, this trick at least 10 to 15 times without messing up. If you can do that, then you're ready to try the double under version of it. Okay, so the double under version of it is when the rope goes under you twice, okay? So when you side swing it to the side, that counts as one, and then you open it up, and that counts as your second jump, okay? So if you look like this. All right? Okay, but I'm gonna slow it down for you. So here's how you start the double under version of a side swing. So pick which side you wanna do, whether it's your right or left side, or if you wanna do both, that's great too. So basically when we do your first double under side swing, you can kind of cheat a little bit in the delay of your jump. So when you swing the rope over you and it hits the ground, that is when you're gonna jump, and then you're gonna swing it open to jump under it for the second time. Okay, so it looked like this if I just do one in a row. Okay, so practice doing that a couple times before you string them together. So it's gonna go side swing, you're gonna jump open. Okay, so try that again. So side swing, jump open. All right, because again, the rope goes under you twice, but the side swing counts as once, and then you jump over it just one time, okay? But it's gonna count as two. So here we go, side swing open. Okay, so try that a couple times. Side swing open, side swing open. And then when you got down, you can just keep putting them together, okay? If you know how to do both sides, so if you can do side swing open, then you can try the double under version of it, going back and forth. So that would look like this. Side swing open. Okay, I'm gonna do that in slow motion a couple times just so you can kind of see the timing of my jump. Keep hitting the wall behind you. Anyway, okay, so there's really not a whole lot to this. If you have your side swing, your single side swing jumps down, then you can easily do this. The double under version of it, you just need to make sure that you are moving your hands a little bit quicker and jumping just a little bit higher off the ground. But other than that, it's the same as this. You just have to get down the timing and rhythm. And eventually, it'll come fluid like that. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions or if you need to work on just your single side swings without the double under. Click on the link right here, and that'll take you to a tutorial on how to do side swings. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day. Bye.